This is the TS Transport System, manufactured by Aerofilm Systems. A system that will easily let you move even the heaviest objects. Step by step, we'll show you exactly how. This storage box contains everything you'll need. Take the air regulator manifold from the box and place it somewhere near the machine and position the air caster modules as appropriate. Take out the air casters and place them on the right spot. Take the air hoses from the storage box and connect them as follows. As soon as modules are positioned under the machine and have been connected properly, return to the manifold. Now connect all the air hoses to the manifold. The hoses and valves are color-coded. Make sure they match. Close all valves on the control panel by turning them anti-clockwise. Connect the air supply hose to the control panel and slowly open the ball valve. Open the valves on the manifold in pairs. Start with the first two valves. You will see the first two casters inflate slowly. Slowly open the other valves until the entire machine is floating. The machine is now ready to be moved. It is best to move the machine with multiple people. Make sure you keep control over the load at all times. The machine can now be moved easily and very accurately. When you are done moving the machine, you can start disconnecting the system. Close the ball valve first to slowly set the machine back down. As you can see, the innovative solutions by Aerofilm Systems will easily let you move even the heaviest machines.